Hi everyone, this is Yunus. Welcome to my channel. This is a small video to show how to change the instance type of your EC2. So assume that this Docker EC2, I want to change the instance type from T2 micro to T3 micro. So first of all, it has to be in the stopped state, and you can select the EC2 and go to actions and go to instance settings and come to change instance type. Okay, and then instead of T2 micro you can change it to whatever you want. So I'm changing it to T3 micro. Apply. So you can see that it has changed. Now when you bring it in service, it will be a new T3 micro EC2. If you try to change the instance type of a running instance, it will not allow you. For example, if I select this and go to actions, instance settings, you can see that change instance type is grayed out. You will not be able to make the change. Okay, that was a very quick video to show how to change the instance type of an EC2. Thank you for watching this video. Come back for more videos. Thank you. Bye.